Howdy, 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 YouTubers. I saw these two cute little white doves. Here they come flying towards us. I figured I would go ahead and get a video of them. Really beautiful little birds. So gorgeous. Figured I'd video them. But how fitting. Pigeons, doves, they're white. Pure white. I haven't ever seen a pure white other than like on TV or anything, but not in person. Here they come. Two of them, so cute. Two like little doves or pigeons, whatever you want to call them, but I thought that was really cute. They're cute little. Hello. Thought it was fitting. Really cute little. He's chasing that one around. Sorry, my nose itched, but yeah. Two white, pure white pigeons or doves. They could be dove. I don't know the difference between a pigeon and a dove. They're pretty close looking to me anyway. And just like that, as fast as they were here, they're gone again. So anyway, guys, peace, love, chicken grease.